Also in Singapore, as part of IMDEX Asia, is one of Japan's largest warships, the JS Izumo. It's here after concluding a joint naval exercise involving ASEAN nations and countries like Australia, India and South Korea. Its commander says such drills are important in keeping threats like piracy at bay.
The sea lane of communication is very important, not only for Japan but also all of the regional countries. And its safety and the security is vital for all of the nation. So the South China Sea is a part of sea lane communication. So therefore, enhancing all Navy's defense cooperation with ASEAN countries is a very important agenda.
Besides the JS Izumo, a second ship, the JS Murasami, also took part in the drill. The ships were involved in the 4th Maritime Security Field Training Exercise conducted under the annual ASEAN Defence Ministers Meeting Plus arrangement. The 2-week-long exercise, co-organised by Singapore and South Korea, ended today.